what are the words that are linkaged to the word linkage? You are not following. Linkage is an English word. I began by saying that I suggest each one of you use as much as possible the word, the term linkage in your dialogues. You may sometimes doubt whether there will be opportunity or there will be a scope for using the word linkage in your day-to-day dialogue. Actually, you are using many words which are actually linkageable to the word linkage. Or which other words in English language has more or less the same meaning as linkage? Okay, that's all. Connection. See, when a normal question is asked in a much more clear way, it is not clear. Connection then.
Communication.
Beautiful. You said it in a very higher order linkage.
Join.
Join. Yeah, say really. A lot of when that word is used, related. Then
Bond.
bond. Okay, that's all very normally unused words.
Relation.
Relations, connect, association, referring to, relating to, all those words are potentially linkageable with the word linkage. So try to consciously use. Why we choose a certain term is certain terms are advantageous. Because every term is taking your attention to whatever that term is pointing at. For example, right now I use the word just out of the blue, mother. See, suddenly it has gone out of the context. If you want, your attention has gone to mother. So the purpose of word is to get your attention there. Knowingly, whether you are aware or not, every word is actually capable of taking your attention to that. So normally you may not notice it because you talk also very fast, not really think. Because when I say the word mother, to get a feel, get a reflection, get an image of the mother, you need to have at least 10-12 microseconds. That is why. And you can right now see the face of the mother taking 10 seconds, taking 1 hour, taking even 2 hours. Alright? That much of time is not possible in normal talking. And it is not done in normal training of language in children also. But you have to do it. That's why I said we will be slow, maybe even slower than this. Okay, now coming back to the question, what are the linkages between a pen and a sword?
Both can attack.
Both
One affects directly, one affects indirectly.
What
One affects directly, means sword attack directly, it harms human body.
Okay.
By the other hand,
Beautifully said. Beautifully said. What's your name?
Sandeep.
Sandeep. That's a very beautiful statement. But that is a linkage at a very higher level. Then, point number 1. Point number 2, though it is a beautiful statement, it is not the answer to the question.
Sir.
Clear? That also has to be clear. Answer to the question. We always actually make a mistake. Even you, I am sure. Not only you, I can point out mistakes even in the writings of great people, forget about it. From this concept, linkage analysis perspective. Right now, one of my trainees is finding faults in the very Bhagavad Gita. Not in the Sanskrit, but in English translations. Nothing wrong about that. That nobody will notice. That's okay. So, answer to the question. The question is between the pen and the sword. I told you already that his answer is beautiful, but it's a higher level that we are coming to later. Let us begin with the object.
Both the things, pen and sword.
The objects at a very basic level, when not in use, are covered. They have a cap and
Yeah. beautiful dialogues were coming. None of this, don't take it for granted. Though he said it, it's actually creating of a thought. Take it that way, to begin with at least. In the sense that he did not learn it from anywhere, I suppose. You did not read it from anywhere, am I right? That's all. Give that minimum respect to your own responses, my dear friends.
The effect of feeling and effect of जो लगेगा वो
We don't go so quickly. I have many things to say. What did you say?
what are objects?
No, beautiful. That is what I wanted to say in the beginning. That's what I prayed when I was talking to him. Begin with the fundamentals. Like some of the well-known posters say, even the longest journey begins with the single step. Don't underestimate, don't take it for granted the simple, anybody knows truth. What she said is, for many would be, everybody knows kind of, Begin with the ground, respect the ground. Begin from that visible. Mind you, the so-called fundamental principles that created the world of science by observing something very simple. You see, everybody could see. Anybody could see. So, begin with the available. Both are objects. That's the first possible statement that you can make. Personal. What is science? Systematic description of reality. That's all. Be also systematic. Perhaps I am the only one creativity researcher in the world who say that instead of going out of the box, begin from the simple, available truths about the reality. Both are objects. This is important because both are objects. I did not ask you to compare between pen and poetry, which also is possible. Even sword and poetry is possible. So that's beautiful. Both are objects. Now it gives why it is required. In order to make linkages, I am talking mostly. I want to make you talk. Why you should focus on the available. Come on. Rather, why we should respect the statement of Megha. Why? Because of the very critical reason.
Starting point which
Sometimes,
Okay.
many
Now I go on
times,
saying it is starting point.
many a times we skip the things which are very simple and very small. So,
Going to point number 2, and here I want to add a hell of a lot of things. For example, point number 1 is all discoveries and inventions and creations in the history of the world have happened by observing the simple and the simplest. I was giving training for the 82 so-called great researchers in Crompton Global R&D Division. All IIT doctorates, first-class, first-rank people. They are all breaking their heads when they said, it is all nonsense. You are not going to make anything fundamental. They are not dealing with great things, advanced things. I always tell even computer people, a computer was invented not by a
software engineer.
Not exactly, not by a computer engineer. An automobile engine was invented not by an automobile engineer, as simple as that. As simple as that. Millions of students are getting doctorates and first class, first rank in literary languages, English, whatever, okay? They don't become poets. They may create forcibly, which we call conjuring, not genuine inspired poetically. That's why the need of freaking out. I request all of you to be freakouts from today. Let that freak in you, that child freak in you, come out. Nobody will terminate you from service. And one thing I told you, you may not get a promotion, you may not invent anything, you may not do anything. One thing, my dear friends, I guarantee. Why I continue to do this creativity training program or continue trying to publish it, because only one thing, I would say for a human entity, the finest possible mind, the finest state of mind is that of that quality of that creativeness. I I will do it. I have even declared in one of my videos in YouTube that I would say only a creative person can be even happy, especially in the coming world. You may have to discover your happiness, my dear friends, in the coming world, maybe in the past world also. Not a doubt about that. Not a doubt about that. For that reason, you have to discover that creative reorientation of that entity also, only for that. So that your dialogues are full of beauty and poetry and romance when you make it to the wife. So that your family life becomes brilliant. Your every dialogue should go into the depth of the mind of that little child which is listening with all its ears and eyes to you. Every colleague of you should be going surprised to the good guys,